Hey mate, big fan of yours, and I have to say the fire feels like it's working already. My problem recently, I got out of a long-term relationship with a girl and got a new, much younger, much more attractive girl. It's terrible, but I was kind of coasting with my previous one. I had no pressure on myself, so I think I was a very good lover. However, with the new one, I actually want to keep her and don't see her that often. So I'm putting a lot of pressure on myself. First time we spent together, I really struggled with performance anxiety. Thanks for your info, I got rid of that. Oh, that's fantastic, good. The second time was much better. However, I had trouble finishing because I was always in my head. Cool. The fire supplements will help with that. Last time I saw her finish so fast, each time it felt like a diversion with her. She's coming to spend Christmas with me now, and I want to make sure I can take care of her. She's been absolutely crazy to see me every time, despite subpar sex, so I know I shouldn't be putting too much pressure on myself, but I want to show her I am capable. Can you recommend what I do to sort my head out here? FYI, I'm not a porn addict or anything like that. Cheers. So you kind of, like, everything that we talk about in the performance anxiety book is going to help with all this, because this is all a mental issue, and you know it is, and you're putting all the pressure on yourself. It's a self-imposed problem. You're doing this to yourself by giving too much of a shit. Honestly, you care too much, and that's fine. You don't have to, this is the dichotomy in this is the paradox of it's kind of a paradox of male-female relationships, and even a man's relationship with himself in regards to women. It's a complete paradox. The more you care, the worse off you are. Really. So you have to kind of not give a shit. You can still objectively want her, like, in your head. You can still want to pursue a relationship with this woman, but you have to detach the emotion from it a bit, because otherwise you're going to be in your head, because you've already built this up as a big deal in your head. You've created anxiety around it. So you need to give yourself, there's a couple of tactics that you can give yourself permission to fail and not give a fuck. That's a big one. And you can basically learn to not take her so seriously. And this is gonna, because you're mentally putting her on a pedestal, I can tell you are. And that's what's causing all this anxiety, and you feel this extra pressure and need to perform at a certain level. But you need to bring off that pedestal in your mind mentally, because otherwise you're going to keep causing these problems for yourself. And you've caused three completely different problems by the looks of it, from the same thing, from just the same, by putting her on a pedestal like this. So yeah, this is completely a self-imposed problem. Stop making that such a big goddamn deal out of it, and give yourself permission to not give as much of a fuck. That would be my answer to you.